Hello, this is Mindy McIntosh Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University, and today I'm going to show you how to properly protect your marigolds from a frost. Now, marigolds should never be planted prior to your local frost-free date. That's one technique that you can use to protect your plants against the frost. But sometimes there's some unique situations that happen and you do get a frost even past your local frost-free date. There are two techniques and I'm going to show you. The first technique is using plastic or a plastic bag if you have really large marigolds like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to place it over the plant. And these plants are planted pretty close together, so it's a little more difficult and they're more mature than what you would have during a chance that you would have a frost. But you're going to simply do this and cover them the best you can. What you want is you want to have some type of surface to keep the frost off the plant material. If this is too hard for you to do, you can actually use newspaper in the same process and just cover it with newspaper and secure it to the ground in some form or fashion. That newspaper will also create that barrier. The negative to using the plastic approach, though, is if you forget to take the plastic off before you leave for work, when you come home, your plant's going to be cooked inside. So that's a disadvantage compared to the newspaper, which is porous, and if you forget about it, your plant will be okay when you come back from work. If you have some small plants that you need to protect, you can make a cloche. Now, a cloche was actually made out of glass, but you can make a very inexpensive cloche, and this cloche that I'm going to show you how to make has a little safeguard to it. You can make a cloche in one of two approaches. You can either cut the bottle at this level and you would slide the bottle over your small marigold plants, or you can do it in this technique, which has the safeguard that I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is you're going to cut around the bottle, such as this, all the way around. Once you have that done, this bottom part will come off. What you will do is you're going to slide your cut part over your plant material. Then you don't have to go out before you go to work and take this container off. You can simply unscrew the lid, and that will release any heat that is generated inside the bottle when the sun comes out. And again, when you come home from work, your plant will be perfectly fine. So give this technique a try when you have that spur-of-the-moment frost that's going to hit your area. Until we talk again, this has been Mindy McIntosh Shutter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University.